Once I decided to sell my house and downsize, the first person I called was Stacey to come in and help me assess what I needed to do, what I needed to keep, what I needed to sell, what I needed to donate, how we were going to do it all. I was very surprised at how much Stacey was able to help me turn my clutter into cash. We did a tag sale for 2 days. I earned a lot of money from that. Stacey put me in contact with a person who sells used furniture. I was able to sell half the furniture in my house. It more than paid for my costs for me to move. I was afraid that I was going to have to throw out most of what I had that I couldn't take with me. And Stacey taught me about sustainability and finding a home for all the things that I wanted to donate. Stacey put me in contact directly with many organizations where I was able to give things I never thought I could give away to people that really actually needed them and wanted them. And she treats her clients like family, and she understands, the emotional component of unloading your belongings, and is really there as a support system as well. I've been able to save myself so much money working with Stacey, who's really, truly a professional.